Hello, I'm going to be showing you how I do my Vixen crochet braids. I guess that's what you call it. I'm going to use the Vixen method into doing these crochets, something different. I'm going to use some old braiding hair that I didn't use or I didn't like because I have a lot of braiding hair. And yeah. I'm gonna be showing you on my mannequin head since I can't find anybody to be my guinea pig. So this young lady is going to be my guinea pig. Say hello. I am done with my braid pattern. All these big braids you see, they're all going to be the leave out, leave out, leave out. Sort around the perimeter of her head, going down the middle. And also on this side of the perimeter. And these circles that you see, it's going to be the parts where I'm going to crochet.
But you raised money. Yes. You accomplished this mission. You did it, girl. Even though they didn't end up raising $2,000, I had to give Taisha.
Instead of doing a sew-in, I'm going to crochet it. Alright, I'm almost finished with this section. And this hair that I'm using is the expression hair. It's like the other hair that I really love to use. I am all done with this section, and I'm gonna take some of the leave out and add it with this so you can see how well it covers up. Like if you do this, people would think it could be your hair, or you could tell them it's a Vixen sewing. They wouldn't know. See, I have it covered up real good. I have everything close together. Everything is really close together, so. Yeah. Okay, I have it in a ponytail. As you can see, it looks like her hair, you guys. And her hair is black. I mean, no, her hair is brown and the hair that I use is black, so. Can you tell? It really looks like her hair, so. Wow. That's the famous roll. Everybody do after they do a Vixen sewing. So this is once again a Vixen crochet braid install. That's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, and I don't know when I'm gonna finish the rest of the hair, but this just to show you what a different type of Vixen. So I'll probably come in with another video to show you, once I'm done with the whole head, I will come with another video to show you the different the different styles you can make with this, with the Vixen crochet. And thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.